wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you all fine. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hilda Putri Dianjani and my partner Raya Nirwanawati. We are from Kalimpung Women Senior High School. We will show our proposal about effort to reduce the impact of downstream flooding by analyzing sedimentation distribution pattern of Blorong River. This research was motivated by sedimentation that occur can make river flow shallow. This will make water discharge to change. When the water discharge increases, a watershed is unable to accommodate the amount of water and cause flooding in downstream area. Library review in this research consists of sedimentation, river flow region, and river flow discharge. Sedimentation is a process of folding, rolling, dredging, or splashing ground clouds. Then, river flow region is a union of region or waterfall yet count as rolling. And river flow discharge is a rate of water flow that passes through a cross section per unit time. From this background, problem formulation can be drawn: how to analyze of sediment distribution pattern in Blorong River and how effect of sediment distribution pattern to minimize flooding in downstream area of Blorong River. Research methodology that we use in this study, namely file survey, identification deep, water discharge and area, analysis river flow region, and Blorong River sediment distribution pattern analysis. In file survey, we made direct observation on the Blorong River. To identification deep, water discharge and area, we use prototype experiment. From this experiment, get a result we obtained and then analyze. Sediment classification in Blorong River such as coarse gravel, medium gravel, fine gravel, very fine gravel, very coarse sand, medium sand, and fine sand. In this sediment distribution pattern of Blorong River analysis can take several data as follows. On the other hand, has been got a category sediment distribution and result analysis such as from explanation above, we can conclude there are several types of sediment distribution pattern in Blorong River, including coarse gravel, medium gravel, fine gravel, very fine gravel, very coarse sand, medium sand, and fine sand. The smaller sediment cavity, the better it is to hold the rate of water, and the large size of sediment more difficult for the erosion to occur. An effect of the sediment distribution pattern is quite influential minimize river water discharge and flooding that may occur. Most effective sediment distribution pattern are fine sand, medium sand, and coarse sand, with a holding time of 33 seconds of a discharge of 15.1 ml per second. The next we will do carrying out further research on entire the Blorong River area. Apply this research directly to Blorong River and inviting the surrounding community to participate in management of Blorong River to minimize impact of floods that occur. I would like to thank for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum.